So as it's January, I thought I'd talk about how I don't like resolutions. I kind of used to when I was younger. I used to think they were kind of like a wish that would be granted. Turns out they're not. But then... that comes into my resolution stuff. And a few years ago I got interested in audiobooks. Basically, someone recommended one by Seth Godin. It was this one. And I, from there, started listening to loads of audiobooks. I signed up for Audible, been a member with Audible for a long time. So mostly I'm listening to Audible as I'm wandering around. But seriously, one thing that came up time and time again listening to these kind of personal development books was habits and building habits. Let's go into that a little deeper back at home. So this is the book that I keep on my desk every day, all the time. And inside this book is a list. And this list says wear a watch, write at least one page of crap each day, do a very small amount of exercise in the morning, do a very small amount of exercise at night, be on time for work, drink more water, get to bed early. So you may have noticed that these aren't the kind of lofty goals that people set themselves in January, and for me that just means that they're going to be easier to keep to, easier to feel like you're succeeding on them. I mean, to be fair, I'm only sort of 7 or 8 days in at this point, so there's a good chance that it all could go tits up. So the other thing I've been doing is I've been trying to get to bed earlier, and the side effect that this is having is that I'm actually reading more physical books. I'm on course to read at least sort of 5 or 6 books in January. And what I wanted to do is share some of them with you. I don't want to do a full produced episode, but what I do think I'll do is I'm going to do like a live stream. Problem is with the live stream is I've been banned for some reason, so I'm not able to do that until they lift the ban. Hopefully that will be closer to 7 days than the 3 months that they've said. Seemingly the reason that I've been banned from YouTube Live is when I was trying to set up my account, I accidentally started live streaming, and I don't know, because they won't tell me or let me see what I did, I don't know what I've done wrong. So I filed a claim, and well, it's left with them for now. So the first book that I'm going to review is going to be, it's one called The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck, and I'll link that below. If you want to check it out beforehand, go ahead. I read it on Audible, read the physical one, whatever, it doesn't really matter, although a little bit of my review is going to be about the experience of listening to it. But then, as I said, depending on YouTube, that could be 3 months from now.